think we can all agree that mankind was meant for and created for connection, for deep, meaningful conversation. Before the word gossip meant rumor, it took on a whole nother meaning. It comes from the old word godsib or God sibling, and really carried this idea of a close spiritual kinship under direct care from God. And so at our 2025 Center for Missions and Evangelism conference this year, we're inviting you to reclaim that idea, not to see evangelism as a dutiful burden, but something that's as natural as talking to a close friend. Christians are called as believers to share the gospel everywhere in their everyday rhythms of life. And so whether that's in the coffee shop, whether that's around the kitchen table with guests, or whether that's at the bus stop, believers are called to gossip the gospel in everyday life. And so this October 3 through 4, we invite you to register and to attend and to see how you can share Christ one conversation at a time. Learn more at midamerica.edu/CME/conference. Hope to see you there.